Hey guys, Mike here, and just going to test my new GoPro 8 and we'll see how it goes. We got the RGT RC4 version 2 out. Let's give it a roll. I'm really interested in seeing how this thing's going to work. Obviously it's got great image stabilization, and that's also I'm after. Nice clear picture, and also interested in the microphone because my audio needs improvement. And I've been making a lot of videos, and I've been trying to get the sound to increase. I have an external microphone to plug in for my Casio, and it's just subpar. I'm not very pleased, so we're going GoPro. We're getting into the later hours of daylight here, so it'll be also interesting to see how this works in the shade and also with some sun flare and glare. Let's see it, the sun is kind of now shining against us. I'd just like to see what that's gonna look like. And we're gonna move this thing around. Gonna stand in behind the sun, and really needed to put an investment in to get this channel going again. I appreciate everyone supporting me. I had some lean periods, especially in the winter time. It's not as easy as to make content, especially when you're running cars and trucks like I do, but I appreciate the support. Got some cool stuff coming up, some upgrades I'm doing to some of my things, and also the occasional new thing comes through. I've been around here on this YouTube thing for about 5-6 years, doing it part-time as my hobby. As the kids have entered into my life, got married, not able to go to the racetrack whenever I want to go race. Now the racetrack is actually closed down, so just keep this channel going to give me an extra reason to grab the remote or the radio and do RC. And thanks also to over the years to things like GearBest, which is now gone, and Banggood, and sellers from Amazon who sent me things into review. And I hope to start up some of those relationships again. Keep this channel going good. Guys, hope to hit that 4,000 subscriber real soon. Thanks for tuning into this GoPro 8 Hero Black. I'm thinking this might be a good thing for the channel, so looking forward to doing more stuff. All right, take care, peace, and we'll catch you on the next one.